Hi guys, Jeff here from TAP. Just really a particular vehicle has come into the workshop today, and again we've utilised the TAP website to find out some good heads up on what a common problem might be on this particular vehicle. This particular one, we've got an X5 BMW E90 model with the diesel 3-litre diesel engine in it. It's come in with check engine light on and rough running, particularly when cold. We've been able to scan the vehicle and we've retrieved a number of fault codes just like is in this particular case. This particular case that's on the website was actually put in by Brendan Sorensen, one of the TAP tech team. And again, this is circulating around the gas recirculation system, the EGR valve positioning and airflow. Looking at the mass airflow sensor and then opening and closing the EGR valve, we can see that the position sensor was moving, so the EGR valve was moving, but the airflow didn't change, so it gives us a good indication that we've got a blocked EGR valve, just as was the case in this particular one that Brendan's put up on the website. So we're able to confirm that. We got the EGR valve off and got it all cleaned up. The cold running was actually related again against the glow plugs. So the glow plugs weren't working. We were able to check the current flow just like Brendan did, and again, no glow plug current operation. It is a common problem on these that the glow plug control module fails, and that again was exactly the issue on this one. So well covered by Brendan in this particular case study, but certainly helped us a great deal today in our own workshop because the car came in with the same symptoms. So if you are a member, make sure you're utilising the repair solutions. We're uploading 20 every fortnight, new repair solutions onto the website, so it's always increasing the number there. So make sure you're using that website, looking for those common problems or those other issues that someone else has struck that'll be a really big heads up on a vehicle. You might be having trouble confirming exactly what the issue is. Hope that helps you out, and we'll see you next time.